Alright folks, we are 100% finished. Let's take a little tour of this deck, handrails. Wow, incredible. Over the top like this, and then fold these edges in. 2 holes. All right, next up is to install the top cap. This is the Premier Rail. All right, let's finish this side. I want to put a cap on. Okay, let me show you how easy this goes in when you cut it perfectly. Look at that, perfect tight fit here and here. Okay, that is perfect. Same as the bottom. Everything should be tight. Okay. This one's pre-cut, has the brackets installed. The mounting brackets are installed on the 4x4 post. Very quickly, I can cut all of these in about 10 minutes just by using this jig. Here's a scrap piece of the handrail. This is the Premier Rail. Look at that. Now that is a nice set of stairs. Okay, here's the top rail. Let's go ahead and install this. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, let's install the next rail section. All right guys, just a few more things to do to finish off this project. We need to add these screws underneath to hold this top rail on. You can see right here. Look at that perfect tight fit right here. That's what you want. Same on the bottom.